today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to capitalize sentences automatically on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in your menu bar and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side, scrolling down underneath Motor, select where it says Switch Control. And then scrolling down again underneath typing where it says capitalize sentences automatically, either toggle this on or off depending on your preference. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.